SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker on an iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the steps. To turn off the pop-up blocker in Safari on an iPhone 13, you need to open the Settings app, scroll down and find the Safari option. Then you need to scroll down, and then in the General section, you'll see that there's a Block Pop-ups option here. Now we just need to turn that off. Now when you go back to Safari and visit a web page where you need to access a pop-up, that pop-up will open. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.